Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone display setting, display and brightness setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on guys your eyes protection mode in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to on guys your eyes protection mode in your Realme phone, so as you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on and guys how to off it. I will also tell you guys. So first of all guys I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to on your eyes protection mode, and guys you can see this type of setting. So guys click on guys your display and brightness. Then guys scroll and guys you can see this eye comfort setting means guys eyes protection mode. And guys you can on from here, and guys you want to schedule, so guys you can schedule from here, custom and off, and guys you can save from here. And guys you can see this color black and white, so as you can customize from here. And guys you can use your eyes protection mode setting. As you can see eye comfort, reduce blue light from the screen and elevation eyes stains. It is normal for the screen to appear yellowish with eye comfort on. So guys you want to on, and guys you want to use guys your eye comfort settings, so guys you can on and off from here. So guys when you operate phone and guys when you study in your phone guys, so guys you should on it guys, it is good for your eyes guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off eyes protection in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.